Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I'll be talking about how to take care of your new mattress to ensure its longevity and maintain optimal sleep hygienes. And later on, I'll be talking about the top 3 best online mattresses, so make sure to stick around for that. Also, if at any point you'd like to check out the online mattresses for yourself, you'll find helpful links in the description down below, including a discount code to save you guys some money. Alright, now straight to the point. You can invest in a high quality mattress protector, especially since it's one of the best ways to take care of your mattress. A mattress protector creates a barrier between your body and the mattress, protecting it from spills, stains, dust mites, and allergens. Also, make sure to choose a protector that is waterproof and breathable for optimal protection. You can also check the manufacturer's guidelines for your specific mattress model, since some mattresses may require rotating or flipping for even wear. And so rotating or flipping the mattress every 2 months or so can help prevent sagging and ensure that it wears evenly over time. Also, make sure your mattress is properly supported by a steady bed frame or foundation. Now, you can inspect the bed frame regularly to ensure it remains in good condition and provides adequate support for the mattress, since improper support can lead to premature wear and reduce the lifespan of the mattress. And make sure you regularly clean your mattress to remove dust, allergens, and stains. Also, vacuuming your mattress with an upholstery attachment can help eliminate dust and debris and avoid using a harsh chemical that can damage the mattress. Now, occasionally allow your mattress to breathe by removing the bedding and opening windows to promote air circulation, which can help evaporate any odors and keep the mattress fresh. But avoid exposing the mattress to direct sunlight, since it can cause fading and damage to the materials. Also, you want to prevent unnecessary stains and damages to the mattress. Avoid jumping, standing, or placing excessive weight on specific areas. These actions can lead to uneven wear and tear across the overall integrity of the mattress. And you always need to refer the specific care instructions provided by the mattress manufacturer, especially since these instructions are tailored to the specific materials and construction of your mattress and should be followed to ensure proper care and maintenance. Now, despite proper care, mattresses will eventually wear out and lose their comfort and support. So pay attention to signs like sagging, visible wear and tear, or discomfort that persists despite proper care. And if your mattress is no longer providing a restful sleep experience, it may be time to consider replacing it. And so by following these care tips, you can help preserve the quality and longevity of your new mattress, creating a clean and comfortable sleep environment for years to come. Now, let me tell you about the top 3 best online mattresses that will provide you with the best quality mattress. And so after testing out the most popular online mattress brands, I found that Saatva, DreamCloud, and Nectar stand out as the best in the market overall. Now, all 3 offer a 365-night trial period, a lifetime warranty, and free shipping. However, each brand offers some unique features of its own, so choosing the best out of the 3 will depend on your needs and preferences, and I'll break each one down to help you make an informed decision. First, let's start with Saatva, which is the overall best out of the 3 and the go-to service if you're looking for a classic and traditional mattress. Now, besides free shipping, Saatva goes the extra mile by offering free white glove delivery services. This means they'll install the mattress for you and even get rid of your old mattress if you want them to. And on top of that, the mattress will be delivered ready for you to sleep on, unlike the other 2 that get delivered rolled up in a box, where you have to wait a couple of days for it to inflate and take form. And what's unique about Saatva mattresses is their design. For example, the Saatva Classic, which is their most popular hybrid mattress, has 2 layers of coils, unlike the standard single layered ones. These layers are split into inner springs at the bottom and thinner coils near the surface, which give the Saatva Classic a more traditional feel that is rare to find nowadays. But the Saatva Classic is not all they have to offer. In fact, they have the largest selection of mattresses out of the 3, ranging from all foams to hybrids and even children's beds and adjustable mattresses. Their mattresses also come in 3 firmness levels, which makes Saatva suitable for almost anyone. And if you choose the adjustable one, you get over 50 precise firmness levels, which is unheard of in this market. So if you're looking for the biggest range of traditional mattresses that have firmness levels that cater to almost anyone, Saatva is your go-to choice. Next up, we have DreamCloud, which is the best overall choice for hybrid mattresses. Now, unlike Saatva and Nectar, DreamCloud is solely dedicated to hybrids and offers 3 great models: Classic, Premier, and Premier Rest. These DreamCloud hybrids work best for individuals weighing over 250 pounds, providing excellent support through their pocketed coils. And as a hybrid mattress, DreamCloud combines all the benefits of coil support, making it ideal for long-term use. Also, these coils ensure refreshing airflow and a suitable balance that many sleepers like. And with a flat, medium firmness level, these mattresses accommodate all sleeping positions. But if you prefer a firmer feel, the Premier model delivers just that, while the Rest model offers a softer firmness level. Now, even though DreamCloud uses a layer of memory foam, it has an overall neutral foam feel, unlike the typical sinking feeling. This neutral foam feel, which caters to most sleepers, is what makes it potentially the best option for most, unlike traditional feel of Sattva mattresses and the all-foam dense feel of Nectar models. And so DreamCloud is the best choice if you're looking for an all-rounded hybrid mattress that caters to most sleeping positions. And finally, we have Nectar, which is the most affordable option out of the three and the best when it comes to all foam mattresses. Now, Nectar specializes in all foam mattresses and has three models currently: the Classic, the Premier, and the Premier Copper. Now, when it comes to firmness, Nectar has a thick layer of memory gel foam that gives the mattress a medium level firmness and dense memory feel, which is the best type for back and stomach sleepers and caters mostly to lightweight individuals. But if you're on the heavier end, don't worry, since Nectar recently launched three hybrid counterparts of their original models, which are perfect for heavyweight sleepers that are looking for a comfortable traditional memory foam feel. And on top of that, the covers from Nectar mattresses are removable and you can wash them regularly, which is not something you usually see on online mattresses. So if you're looking for the most affordable option that offers traditional memory foam feel across both their hybrids and all foam models, Nectar is your go-to. So to sum it up, choosing the best one between these three depends on your needs and personal preferences. If you're looking for a classic mattress that suits just about everyone, Sattva is your go-to. With a wide range of firmness levels and a top-notch white glove delivery service, they're truly the best in the business. Now, if you're looking for a hybrid mattress that cater to almost any sleeping position, DreamCloud is the best out of the three. They specialize in hybrid models that are especially great for heavyweights. And finally, if you want something a bit more budget friendly, Nectar is the most affordable option. Now, even though they're generally cheaper than the other two, Nectar mattresses are the best when it comes to traditional memory foam feel, and they come in both all foam and hybrid models. So that's it for this video. Again, if you're interested in the online mattress brands mentioned in this video, you'll find links to pricing and discounts, as well as in-depth reviews in the description down below. And feel free to comment down below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys. And like and subscribe if you found this video helpful or would like to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.